Celebrate love. We live in a place that celebrates pride and celebrates our entire community. We know there are many places in our state, believe it or not, and in our country that it's very hard to be LGBTQ+. That they're being attacked. They're attacking our transgender community. In California, though, we are going to stand up for everyone. And we're going to fight to make sure that we protect everyone. And this month, we're going to celebrate. And in San Jose, we also celebrate in August. See, we get 2 chances to celebrate, right? The Silicon Valley Pride. And so, thank you all so much for inviting me. And I will see all of you in August for Silicon Valley Pride, in the parade, the festivals, the celebrations. And so let's keep celebrating all year long. Happy Pride.